In this video, let's talk about the animation in CSS. You can see here, animation name is the one property where we'll use the animation name here after creating the animation. After that, we'll see about the animation duration. It defines the how much time it takes to animate our HTML element. Likewise, we have the animation delay property. It holds the animation. And another one is the animation iteration count. We can repeat our animation infinite time, or we can repeat our animation one time, two time, or whatever be the number we want, we can use here. And another property is animation direction. We can use the reverse direction, or we can use the alternate directions, and we'll discuss it about it later in details. After that, animation timing function, it means we can change our animation style. Likewise, if we have see my previous video that is related to the transition, then you may understand it fast. After that, we'll discuss about the animation field mode. You have the inside the animation field mode, we have the backward property, forward property, and both property, and also non-property. And we'll also use the animation shorthand property. First of all, you can see here, I have created here one file, and my file name is CSS animation. And I'm creating here, I have changed this title into the CSS animation. And I have created here one div, and inside that div, I have given the height as 200 pixel. Width as 200 pixel, background color blue, border 1 pixel solid red, and margin as 100 pixel. And if you see the output, you can see here, this is our one div we have created here. And to animate this HTML element, at first, let's go into the VS Code and let's create here one animation. We can create the animation by using the keyframes and keyframes. And you can give name whatever you want. I'm writing here the sample. You can write whatever you want, and you have to write here the two things at first. At the beginning, you have to write the from, and also you have to give the to. And I want to change this background color is blue here. I just want to change the background color at first. At the 0%, it from means 0% and to means 100%. We'll change this value after this example. So at first, I want to change this background color into aqua. And then after that, in 100%, I just want to change the background color into the gray color. And if I go to the browser here, okay, and nothing is happening here because we have to use the animation name at first. So my animation name is, I'm creating the animation name. Animation name is just a sample, okay? I'm writing here the sample. This is my animation name. And if I go to browser, and if I refresh this page, nothing is happening here still. And nothing is happening here still. Nothing is happening because I just have to provide here the animation duration time at first. Animation duration. And if I provide the animation duration as 3 seconds, or I can say the 4 seconds. And if I go to browser here, now you can see here at 0%, this color is blue. At the beginning, this color is blue. If I refresh this page, the color convert into the aqua color, and then when it's being the 100%, the color is changed into the gray. You can again see here, it is starting aqua and then the gray color, and again it goes into its original values. So in this way, to use the animation name, you must have to use the animation duration also. And if you want to repeat this animation, then you can just type here animation iteration count. Okay, if you type here animation iteration count as 2 times, then it will repeat up to 2 times, and it will stop automatically. You can see here, this is 1 time, and again it changes, and it goes into its blue position. So it repeats 2 times. If you want to repeat this animation again and again, then you can just type here infinite, then it will repeat again and again infinite time. It never gonna be stop here, okay? So in this way, you can use the animation iteration count property also. So I'm just writing here the 0, because if I write here 0, then it will repeat only 1 time. Or you can say, if I refresh this page, this is not repeating here. So I have to keep here the 1 value, because I just need to repeat this at once. After that, I can also use here the animation delay property, and if I type here the 2 seconds, then it will hold up to 2 seconds, and then it will apply the animation. So this is all about the animation delay. And also you can use the animation direction property. So animation direction property. And if I write here the alternate, and you can see here, it will start from the backward side, okay? And likewise, if I give the reverse value here, and you can see the output. Now I'm into the browser. At first it will aqua color, gray color, and then the aqua color. So it start from the backward slide. And also we can use here the another property, that is the animation shorten property. Like if you see here, you have to give the animation name, duration, timing function, delay, iteration count, and the duration. So if I use the animation, another property is animation timing function, and it will change our style. If I write the is, this is the default. Okay. If I go to the browser, this is our default and nothing gonna be changed. If I write here is in, then it will start the slow start. It will start in a slow and it will end in a fast. After that, if I write here is out, it means it will end with slow and start with fast. And if I type here is in and dash is out, then it will slow start and then the slow end. Okay. So this is the property about the animation timing function. So now I want to discuss about the animation shorten property, where you can provide these 6 values at once. At first, I have to copy this code from here, and I'll put inside the comment section here. And you can see here, I just want to write at first we have to give the animation name. And our animation name is sample. And another one is the animation duration is 2 seconds. I just have to put the 2 second. Animation timing function, I just want to write here the linear. Okay. And animation delay, I just want to put only 1 second as delay. And after that, animation iteration count, I just want to write put 2 here, and animation duration, I want to write reverse. And I just want to put above code also inside the comment section. So I just want to write this part also inside the comment section. And if I go to the browser here, and if I refresh this page, it will work automatically. If I refresh this page, this is not working here. What is happening here? I just have to go back to here. I'm writing here animation, and then the sample is my animation name, 2 second, linear, 1 second, 2, and then the reverse. I just have to remove this comma from here, okay? This doesn't take any commas here. So I have to remove this comma from here. I'm writing reverse. And if I go to browser, now this is working, okay? And in this way also you can use the animation shorten property. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.